Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Just wanted to shoot a quick video on a plumbing tip, if that's what you want to call it. I took out the vanity and sink on this old house that was built in the 50s, and I went to shut off the valves and they just snapped. I didn't really want to have to dig into the wall and try to do the plumbing back here by cutting the copper line. So I just went to Home Depot, bought these 1/4 inch straight valve shut off valves, and the way they, since they're female and male, female on one end, male on the other, the female end will screw right onto the old shut off valve. Of course, you want to use Teflon tape as always and snug it up real good, and then have someone else turn the water on while you sit in here and watch it, make sure it's no leaks and what have you. But that will save you from having to dig into the wall and do plumbing back in here. That's always risky. So these are about $7-8 at Home Depot. They're a 1/4 turn, which I love, and they work great. So that's kind of an easy fix on if you got some old shut-off valves, and there's millions of homes. If your home was built more than 20 years ago and you have those old crank down shut-off valves, more than likely they're going to snap if you have to get into them. So this is an easy fix, or an easy alternative to have to dig in behind it, especially if you can't get it off. I tried to get this one off by vice gripping this and crescent this, but it just would not budge. And I was afraid of snapping a joint in the wall, which would be big trouble. So this was a good, easy, quick fix. Thanks, guys.